After making a lot of mistakes, and by a lot I mean really a lot, I finally figured out step by step how to fly drones better, and in this video I will tell you my top 3 tips for becoming a good drone pilot. Flying smoothly may be one of the most serious challenges preventing you from shooting cinematic videos, but it's actually pretty easy to fix. Firstly, you have to begin flying slowly. In order to do that, the next time you fly your drone, try to fly as slow as you can, by gently pushing the joysticks just a little bit. This will result in a slower and better footage, but we aren't done yet. You also need to plan your shot and adapt to the situation in real time. Let me show you an example. I want to fly upwards while tilting the camera downwards in order to keep the main street of the city in the middle. I planned my shot, now it's time for flying. So I start flying upwards, and then when I see that the main street is not in the middle of the screen anymore, I gently start tilting the camera. I adapt. Then I see that I've done it too much, so I slowly stop, which results in a smooth and nice video. And this was my first tip on how to fly smoothly. You may fly smoothly and plan your shots, but what should you do if you don't know what do you want to do? Just fly around? No! Develop a flying routine for yourself. Find the shot types you like and do them everywhere. For me, I like to make 2 things. A cinematic reveal you're seeing right now, and I also like to just rotate the drone. And I always start flying by making a cinematic reveal and rotating the drone. By developing a routine, you will also save your time and battery life of your drone, so I highly recommend to do that. Now let's imagine you fly your drone, but you can't shoot from the angle you want, or you can't fly smoothly. This might be devastating. But never give up, never. If you give up, there simply won't be any chance for you to find that angle or learn something new and more interesting. Believe in yourself, try further, fly more, because this is the only way to get better. Ciao ciao!